Write and balance the chemical equation. The first step is to establish the balanced chemical equation for the synthesis of aluminum oxide from its elements. For Al plus 3O2 gives 2, Al2O3. This shows the stoichiometric relationship. 4 moles of Al react with 3 moles of O2 to produce 2 moles of Al2O3. Identify the limiting reactant. A limiting reactant is the substance that is completely consumed first, stopping the reaction. To find it, divide the available moles of each reactant by its respective coefficient from the balanced equation. For Al, 0.40 moles/4 is equal to 0.10 for O2. 0.40 moles/3 approximately 0.133, since 0.10 is less than 0.133. Aluminum, Al, is the limiting reactant. The reaction will stop once all 0.40 moles of Al are used. Calculate product yield based on the limiting reactant. Use the stoichiometric ratio between the limiting reactant, Al, and the product, Al2O3, from the balanced equation, 4:2 or 2:1. Moles of Al2O3 is equal to 0.40 moles Al times 2 moles Al2O3 over 4 moles Al equals 0.20 moles Al2O3. Conclusion: the maximum amount of Al2O3 that can be produced is 0.20 moles, which corresponds to option B. The correct answer is option B, 0.20 moles.